JBL Clip 2 was a very strong contender in the ultra portable category with its built-in carabiner, compact size and long battery life. So much so that when I reviewed it, it even won by me the best ultra portable speaker title. Today I will test its successor, the JBL Clip 3, to find out if it's still the best choice if you want something very portable. It comes in this small, transparent box with only some paper and an orange micro USB cable included. My test device is the black version, however it's available in 11 different color options. While the dimensions remain the same, the Clip 3 got a completely fresh look with a newly designed carabiner. Now it's built into the device and embraces the whole speaker as a metal frame, making the Clip 3 more solid and durable than the predecessor. While in terms of durability it's an improvement, I prefer the replaceable carabiner of the Clip 2, since if it broke or if you needed a larger one, you could easily replace it. Unfortunately, the carabiner of the Clip 3 is even slightly smaller, which can limit its usability. For example, it might not be large enough to clip it on a thicker bicycle handlebar. The Clip 3 got a new speaker grill, which now curves to the edges of the speaker and houses the music control buttons. I think placing the control buttons to the front was a good decision. They look better and are more convenient to use. In terms of music control, you can pause, play the music and skip a song, however you cannot jump back to the previously played song or forward/backward in a song. It got a built-in microphone, so it can be used as a speakerphone to answer phone calls. Just as the older model, the Clip 3 got an IPX7 protection, which means it's completely waterproof. It can be submerged into 1 meter deep water for 30 minutes. On top of that, it even floats on the water, so it's ideal for any water sports. Although it comes good if you accidentally drop it into the water, you cannot listen to music on it while it's floating, since it does not float on its back. To ensure the water protection, the ports are covered by a waterproof flap. The design of the flap is great, it's easy to open and close and it seals correctly. JBL decided to remove the built-in audio cable of the Clip 2 and the Clip 3 comes with only an audio jack input port. I think this was a good decision. Although the built-in audio cable was a very convenient solution, if it got damaged, you completely lost this connectivity option. Testing the Bluetooth range, I measured 100 feet range in my outdoor test, which is a really good range, much better than the 20 feet range of the older model. Unfortunately, the Clip 3 does not support the JBL Connect Plus feature, so it cannot be connected with other types of JBL speakers, and it's also not possible to connect two JBL Clip 3 devices together. In my test, when I played various types of songs on the speaker at 70% volume, I measured 8 hours, 15 minutes playtime, and when repeated the same test at maximum volume, I got 5 hours 20 minutes. This battery life is pretty decent and it's above the average in this category. However, despite the larger battery, the Clip 3 could not improve significantly compared to the older model. Unfortunately, the speaker does not have any battery level indicator, so you do not know how much battery percentage remained. Under the hood, the Clip 3 has the same size 3-watt driver as the former model. However, thanks to its newly designed passive radiator, it has a more pronounced bass and a fuller sound. It still lacks some bass, especially comparing it to the similarly sized Bose SoundLink Micro. However, for an ultra portable speaker, its sound is pretty good. The Clip 3 could improve in many aspects and it became a more stylish, durable device. If you are looking for a compact speaker that you can carry a whole day and can withstand the elements, then the Clip 3 is one of the best choices. It has a strong Bluetooth range, battery life and a decent sound. It is highly recommended if you are looking for something very portable. It easily won by me the best ultra portable speaker title. So this was for today. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You can find the product link in the description below. Take care and see you soon.